Welcome to Python programming. In the last lecture, we have discussed the variable assignment statement, the first part. That is nothing but assignment statements and script mode. And in this video, we are going to discuss the order of operations, string operations, comments. So first one is order of operations. So how the order of operations? First, before that, operation defines some of the arithmetic operations such as addition, multiplication, that subtraction, division. That all the operators should be in the form of sequence. So what is that sequence? We can learn in this, we can define in this video. An expression is a combination of values, variables and operators. So generally we all know that it is an expression. We all know about the expression. Expression consists of operators and operands. So it is a combination of values, variables and operators. So for example, consider A is equals to 1, B is equals to 5, C is equals to 6, D is equals to 3. So we have to evaluate like B minus A star C divided by D plus 10. So this is the normal operations which we perform. We have to evaluate this type of operation with all these values A comma B comma C comma D. So whenever we evaluate this type of expression, so we'll get the answer. If our answer is 13, then it is perfect. Why? Because here we are taking just small values. But if we do more number of values, I mean the number of value is very high. So in that case, the system or the machine can't take such type of operators. So we have to follow some of the rules of precedence. So what are those rules? So this is the first rule is nothing but defining the parentheses for every expression. If we define the parentheses from the starting to the ending, the expression is totally completed from start to end. So this is defined as parentheses. Next, coming to the second, we have to follow the exponent. Why? Because exponent means power. For suppose 10 double star 10 means 10 power 10. So the value is so high. For that, for that is the way to define the precedence. The second precedence is exponent. So why? Because the highest value will be placed first. So that is the way to define. If there is any value should be placed as a minus value or a negative value. If that value is performs on the end of the order, then it defines as a rule, one of the main rules. Next, coming to the third one is multiplication or division will be precede in the third one. So why? Because the multiplication division is also somewhat high value. So that's why multiplication. Next, coming to the addition and subtraction, it should be follow at the last. So this is the last way to define as same precedence, addition plus subtraction. So next, coming to the last one, same precedent execute should execute from left to right. So whenever the left to right will be executed, in that way we'll get the exact value without any syntax errors and without any minus values or negative values. So these are all the rules of precedence we have to follow. Next, coming to the next one, string operations. What is meant by string operation? What is meant by string? Group of characters is known as a string. So how we'll perform in the Python programming, how we will perform the operations on string? So first we have to follow some of the rule, some of the way, some of the step to follow. Nothing but plus is used for combining. So here I'm taking the example like hello plus world. String hello is a string and world is a string, and operation we're performing is plus. So then it will define the hello world. So in that way we can define the hello world. A is equals to welcome, B is equals to C is equals to Python. So then D is equals to A plus B plus C. Then the result will be welcome to Python. So this is the string operation. In the string operation, we will use the star also for repeating. Star multiplication symbol or arithmetic operator star also will use it in the string operation. So hi star 3, if we perform this type of statement, the statement will be defined as hi hi hi. Nothing but A is equals to hello, B is equals to hey, A star 2. A star 2 means hello, hello. So this is the string operations will be performed. So next, coming to the last topic in this second part is nothing but comments. The name itself defines the comments, nothing but displaying the comments or defining the statement. So for example, these are all the two way to define the comment. Add notes to your program. Every statement we have, what we have mentioned in the interpreter, we have to add some of the notes to that program for easy read. So comments, hash symbol is used to add comments. A is equals to 10, so B is equals to 20, C is equals to A plus B. These are all the common statements which we perform in the interpreter way. And hash A value assigned, hash B value assigned for 20, and sum of A and B assigned to C. So this is, we can call it as a comments. So, and this is known as a comments in which uh, every Python programming interpreter statement can be defined. So for easy read. And so in this video, we have discussed the order of operations, string operations, and comments. Hope you all understood about this order of operations, string operations, and comments. So thank you. Thank you very much.